Silky geuda, often referred to in the context of gemstones, is a type of geuda sapphire that exhibits a silky or velvety appearance due to internal inclusions or a specific texture. In Sri Lanka, which is renowned for its gem industry, the treatment of silky geuda involves several steps to enhance its appearance. 1. Cleaning. The gemstone is thoroughly cleaned to remove any surface impurities or dirt. 2. Heat treatment. This is the most common method used to improve the color and clarity of geuda sapphires. Controlled heating can enhance the gemstone's color and transparency. 3. Filling. In some cases, any visible cracks or inclusions might be filled with a substance to improve the gem's appearance. 4. Polishing. After treatment, the gemstone is polished to enhance its luster and overall visual appeal, and its techniques are considered advanced. Follow us for more insights into the world of gemstones and the amazing art of gemology. Whether you're a gem enthusiast or simply curious about the processes behind these stunning stones, we'll explore the history, science, and artistry that make each gemstone unique and valuable.